Hello, PSP.
What the fuck are you? Oh, yes, you are the Game Boy Micro. The little tiny Game Boy Micro. I think it was you, the black sheep of Nintendo.
What do you mean?
I only say numbers of sold consoles.
Maybe the numbers of souls are bad, but I've got the greatest titles, like Wario Land 4, Zelda the Minish Cap, or Pokemon Mystery Dungeon.
You are primitive. Maybe you've got great games, but I'm better than you and the Nintendo DS.
We'll see. Game Boy Micro, transform to Nintendo DS.
Ha ha ha, the Nintendo DS. You think you are better? Look at my beautiful graphic.
3, 2, 1, go!
Graphic isn't everything. Your controller sucks. My controller is the future. I've got two screens, a normal screen and a touch screen. Do you know what a touch screen is? I don't think so. Maybe my graphic isn't as good as yours, but my controlling is much more better.
Shut up and eat my UMD.
I'm going to kill you. Maybe I'm the Nintendo DS, but I'm not a chicken. So, say to Sony,
If they want war, we'll give them war.
Oh, it's empty.